natural is not coming out. Hey, woohoo! I just be on flick, girl. Hallelujah, somebody. So guys, yeah, I'm sorry, shut. I missed you guys. So welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Hallelujah. Welcome to the town. Welcome. You know what I'm saying? As you live your life and never remember the sun, you're gonna be blessed. You shall not have to spice food. You shall not spice food. That doesn't make sense. You shall not. Your food shall not be salty again. Hallelujah, somebody. So guys, today is going to be an interesting video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut a whole chicken. So basically, you know, like it's usually me and my brothers that like to do the whole cutting of chicken, and really hard. We just mess the whole thing up, cut it anyhow, you know, dismantle it. At the end of the day, there's nothing left for us to eat. You just end up cooking bone. That's it. But now to cook, how to dissect, cross-set a chicken, and it's going to be an interesting one. Make sure you like it. Subscribe, share it with your enemies, your friends, your concubine, your exes, your whatever. Shashi. As long as you pay your offering, pay, and the main code tight is to click on that red button, click on it and put on your notification the notification button. Make sure you press it too, so you always get the latest. You'll be the first to know when video is out. So yeah, that's going to be what we are doing. Much already. Bye guys, love you. Chicken from Walmart, and it's a really cheap one for the price. It's $7.81 basically, and it's an old chicken. You can see I'm going to remove it, and what you're going to be needing, you don't need much. All you need is just a pair of scissors to like cut off like this, and like the rope they used to tie it, and a knife. I know my knife looks different. This is my, you know, my cutting knife, but you can as well, if you have if you do have something like this, you can use it. If you have like a normal knife at home, but a sharp knife, definitely I would suggest a sharp knife. So you have to have a sharp knife for this, and I'm just gonna sharpen this first. I'm gonna cut this.
It's your primitive is when yet if you get a big.
Anyways, so guys, so this is what the chicken looks like. This one is properly clean, format and all of that. Just put water, wet it, and put it underneath your, you know, your, what is this thing called again? Your cutting board. So it just stays like that, you know, banging. It's not going anywhere. So also, if you have a towel, just do the same thing, and that's it. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, we're going to be taking out the, what are this thing called, the laps. So just come, usually you see like the old skin, you know, hanging and trying to drag each other. Just cut them off this way. This way. And what I would suggest you do is this, you break it in, and then there is this part of a chicken, like, it's really delicious. This is like a delicacy, like, because yeah, basically maybe in the next video I'll show you guys like how to remove it, but basically you need to come in here and this way at the back, make a line like this. Okay, I think my line is like really low. And basically you make this line, and if you touch this part, you can feel the bone that the meat is resting on. So basically drag the meat closer to you. I keep saying basically, but pardon me, drag the meat closer to you, like sort of like give it a force, and use the tip of your knife. Please be careful so you don't break your, so you don't cut yourself. You want to get this out and come this way. The cutting board I'm using is like super small. So we have this meat left here, and this is part of it. You see this thing here? It's delicious. So right now I have one, not super, not in a good day, but yeah, we have a clip. And we're going to be cutting through a bone here. So just like we did for the leg, pull the skin, the meat itself, pull it towards you. Well, this is how I cut my chicken, just to avoid wastage. So there are different ways others cut there. So right. Can you see that? Can you see? That's a clean cut right there. Can you see that? So basically this, we still have to like remove it actually. So pull it towards you, use the tip of your knife to like get that, so you get to waste less less meat. You can feel the bone, basically you can feel the bone. So it's really like pretty simple like to do. So through it, run through it, okay? And on the side here, it depends on the side you want to use. On the side here, do not mess up the skin. This thing is actually really expensive, because if you go to the supermarket like Walmart and all of those places, the chicken breast is like way more expensive than the rest of this thing. I bet we all know that. So come this way. Okay, I messed that up. Now we have this still separated. This guy right here, let's remove it. I don't know why you're doing that. This is delicious, super delicious, really delicious. I love it. Actually, it's like boneless chicken. They're like really annoying. I don't know what they're doing in the system. So basically cut this through. Like the bone here is like really soft. The bone connected to this, to the neck, to the backbone, the spine, ribs and whatever, is like really soft, so you can easily cut through. That's why I would advise you using a sharp knife. And this guy is right here. You see, our skin is not messed up. And this guy, most time people get to like cut this guy's away, but I'm going to start mine from here. Okay, if you're cutting through a joint, one thing you need to do to avoid like cutting your hand or like going through another bone to the other is just feel it. That's it. Use your finger, go through it, and then you'll see come this way. Okay, it's really soft, and that's it. You have your wings, you have the first wing, and this one also you can easily like go through it. And you have another part too. So, and this guy, we have to like clean it up. Basically this shouldn't actually be attached to it. Well, it depends, sha. Whatever you want. And there's some tissues in chicken that are like really tough. I bet you've all come across those. And this method, you can use it like if you're trying to achieve like, oh, you all need chicken breast and stuff. But like this one, I'm going to cook it and like use it for like snacks or whatever. I'm just going to boil it. I'm going to do the same process like with the other chicken and still eat it. But normally if you're doing like the old like Nigerian chicken, you know, we cut it with bone, the ass chicken. So now we have a clean, look at that. This you have to like remove it because these are like tough tissues. Stop sticking to it. Stop it. Stop it. Stay. Okay. So we have this one clean. Not perfect, but clean. Yeah. So we have this. This one is clean on its own. There's a bone here that you can remove. Those bones are delicious. Can you see that? So you gotta remove that. If not, you're going to just choke from eating that bone. So now for the person that is like doing dieting and stuff, you can have your chicken, perfect chicken breast. Like, so you just, I'm just going to slice this up. I'm not trying to like, you know. So I have that. And to the next one, for like the, oh, I'm going to use the style that we do like at home when I'm cutting like Christmas chicken. And I'm cutting Christmas chicken, there's no mercy, I'm sorry. So this way, the same process, you come this way, twist it like that, and go to the bone. You have your wings with you, and this guy here, you just cut with the bone. It's like the sweetest, trust me. I don't know if anybody have noticed. I like it like that. So I'm just going to be going through this guy. Normally she use like a butcher knife for this. Well, let's get to this guy right here. Make sure your knife is sharp. It's going to save you a lot of stress, trust me. So I have this guy. Should I cut it? No, cut it. No. Same process. Remove your it. You have that with you. And this guy, I want to say, you know, if you don't like fat, just trim off like excess fat. If you don't like, I'm just going to come here, cut this with it. So you guys remember the bone we removed from the other end? We have it here. I'm just going to leave it like that. Please watch your hand, don't cut it, please. And so we've got this, and this from the back. So the last process I'm gonna show you guys was a tie. Most people do, like before I do jargons. If you don't know the meaning of jargons, that means nonsense. I do nonsense whenever I'm cutting these guys. But now I say I'm trying. I'm just gonna trim off like excess skin and fat, all those extra. Voila, I'm going to trim them off. So notes, guys, if you see a chicken stick like this, tie, whatever, come this way, you can see in between is like the joint of your leg, like when you're trying to, you know, your knee here, by the time you're trying to bend it, like in between it, you can feel it here. So come this way, go through it just like that, and come here, break it. You see, we're able to create like how to locate it, and now I can feel the joint just right there. That's it. I'm going to do the same to this guy too. and fill it. That's it. And now you have your chicken, your drumstick. So basically, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I have everything here except the jotting meat. There was no liver. I couldn't find the fresh in the beef. The gizzard was and the other parts. I don't know what to eat, but the jotting meat anyways. So guys, so that's how I cut my perfect chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up.
I'm prayed for this opportunity. My guys see don't sing anymore than musically. You think I'm joking, my brother see you must be joking. I've been doing this for too long. I'm all good. If you feel this, say sing along. On my enemies, you still standing. That's wrong. Feel me